Alright, this is the beginning. I'm thinking about heading out to do a quick hike. First time, haven't been out in a while. I'm here at Ward Pound Ridge. I'm going to do a short hike, probably just a few miles, just to do a shakedown. Pack is the REI Flash 30. Probably have a little too much gear in it, but it's probably weighing in about 13 pounds. I have 2 bottles of water. I have the ditty bag, my ditty bag. I have a bunch of spare clothes, probably a little bit too much spare clothes. And I have my map, headlight, just in case. And so hopefully, let's get this thing on the road and see how it goes. Whew. I made it. Completion of the first hike. Unbelievable here at Ward Pound Ridge. Great scenery, beautiful day. Got turned around a little bit. Missed the marker, but actually it worked out better because I ended up going along the just along the river. It's flatter. Didn't have to worry about climbing any mountains, but I know where I missed the turn. Went back, checked it out. So next time I do it, I'm gonna definitely go uphill a little bit. But this was pretty good. I liked it. But it's a beautiful sight. It must be great in the summertime. So I think at some point in time I may even think about doing a car camp here. Bring the tent, spend a couple of days, hike. But for right now, I'm just gonna do some hiking and kind of see where it goes. But again, this is from Ward Pound Ridge, JHB Outdoors. Have a great day, everybody.